Now more than ever, there are tons of ways to find cheap flights. Whether you're looking for a short hop or an international flight, the right website can help you find the best deals out there. With tons of factors to consider, such as the destination, fare class, or travel dates, each website excels in something different. Regardless of your travel experience, it can be overwhelming to choose the best flight search engine. We compared the top 10 travel search engines and flight finders to find the best flight search engine. While rumors swirl that this practice is illegal, it's not. However, airlines have been reported to retract airline miles or file a lawsuit to those who regularly do this. It's always a good idea to double-check your airline's terms and conditions, as the contract may prohibit hidden city tickets. For example, let's say you need to get to Chicago. If you search for a flight from New York to Chicago, Skiplag may find a cheap flight from New York to Denver with a layover in Chicago. You can simply get off the plane in Chicago without completing the entire flight pattern. While Skiplag also displays prices for traditional tickets, the website will let you know if it's a hidden city ticket, marking it as a Skiplag rate. This flight search engine is best for those who are merely looking for cheap flight deals and don't mind booking economy tickets, as Skiplag doesn't have an option to filter by class or to search for premium economy, business or first class tickets. Instead, this website will automatically filter your search results by price. Therefore, economy tickets will always be at the top of the results page. Pros cons. In addition, Agoda offers Agoda Homes, its proprietary homestay service. Comparable to Airbnb, many consumers may find it handy to book their flights and unique homestay experience on the same website. Agoda has access to over 2 million properties worldwide, including hotels, resorts, hostels and more. Out of all the flight search engines, we found that Agoda displayed significantly cheaper flight prices than its competitors. However, the flights often have long layovers. While you have the potential of saving a couple of $100, you'll want to make sure that these layovers are worth your time and money. Pros cons. Using Hopper, you'll be able to input trips you're interested in booking. Then, you can save them and watch the prices change over time. Once Hopper notifies you that it's the best time to book, you'll be able to pay for your flight securely through the app. Pros cons. Most of the sites we evaluated allow users to book tickets directly on their platform or the airline's website. Momondo only lets you book tickets through online ticketing agencies, known as OTAs. If you find an ideal ticket price, you'll have to complete the sale on a website that may be unfamiliar to you, like Flights Mojo, Globehunters or Travel Mint. Since you're booking with an OTA rather than directly with the airline, you may face increased fees if you try to change or cancel your flight. Compared to our top two picks, Momondo's user experience falls behind. Google Flights loaded its search results significantly faster than Momondo, and Skiplag's interface had a much cleaner and more modern feel. In general, we recommend using Skiplag and Google Flights for domestic bookings and Momondo only when searching for international flights. Pros cons. You'll also be able to toggle based on preferences that most competitors lack. For example, you can search for flexible tickets or flights with lower carbon dioxide emissions. Recently, Skyscanner added a COVID-19 safety rating for each airline, with the most updated information on cleaning procedures, mandatory policies and changes to the in-flight service. Pros cons. If you're looking to book a travel package or domestic flights, Kayak is an excellent option. You'll be able to search across hundreds of vacation packages, bundling flights and hotels together at a discounted rate. For popular destinations, it's worth checking Kayak for these package deals. Pros cons. Without fail, Google Flights returned results the fastest across dozens of queries. Search results on Google Flights consistently loaded in under a second, while most other sites took much longer. Finally, both the mobile and desktop versions of the service provide an intuitive and familiar interface for people who already use Google Apps. One of the reasons Google Flights finds inexpensive itineraries is that it allows you to book departure and return legs of your trip on different airlines. This is helpful in cases where booking two one-way tickets is more affordable than booking a round trip. While Google Flights didn't invent this concept, sites like Kayak have long offered a mixed airline itinerary. We found that it was nicely integrated into Google's search capabilities. Pros cons. Priceline stands out from the competition with its best price guaranteed offer. If you find a lower price within 24 hours of booking your ticket, Priceline will refund you the difference. For express deals on hotels, if you find a better price up to midnight before your travel, you'll be refunded 200% of the difference. Pros Cons: Southwest is the only domestic airline that offers 2 free checked bags with every flight. You'll want to consider this benefit when comparing flight prices, as most cheap flights are basic economy and don't even include a carry-on bag. If you're taking a trip for an extended period and need to check your bags, you'll save more money flying on Southwest. Pros Cons: This service is best for travelers who have flexible travel plans. Scott's Cheap Flights will send you an email with the destination, price range and dates. Only displaying non-stop or single-stop flights and on highly rated airlines, you'll be notified of some phenomenal flight deals. Then, you'll be able to see the full deal details and book directly on the airline's website. Most deals only last a couple of days, so you'll need to be ready to book as soon as possible. Pros Cons: Even if your only purpose is to score a cheap flight, even the most advanced flight search engine can only get you so far. If you want to save money on airfare or your trip as a whole, your best bet is to gain maximum value with the following tips. If possible, book the departure and return dates of your trip in the middle of the week, as Tuesdays and Wednesdays are the cheapest days to fly. Flights tend to be more expensive on the weekends and Mondays and Fridays. For even more flexibility, most of the search engines above allow you to view prices for flights on each day of the week. According to a Skyscanner, the best time to book a domestic flight is at least 3 weeks in advance and 2 weeks in advance for an international flight. Prices start increasing after the 2-week mark and skyrocket the week before the departure date, so you'll be sure to snag a cheap flight by booking well in advance. Each flight search engine has its strengths and weaknesses, so you'll want to compare flight prices across multiple prices to get the best deal. It's important to keep in mind that the cheapest flight deal may not always present the best value. For example, flights with long layovers may be affordable but may not be worth your time. If you have a red-eye layover, you'll have to consider additional costs associated with booking an overnight hotel or staying in the airport for a night. With any of these websites, you'll want to conduct further research on the airline and its baggage and seating policies to round out your cheap flight search. We searched for 2 round-trip flights with the same dates, an international trip from New York to Paris, JFK to CDG, and a domestic trip from Boston to San Francisco, BOS to SFO. We took the price of the cheapest flight possible, not taking into account flight times, fare class or airline.